Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks because Fridays I drag. Okay. In this video, we're doing this creepy clown tutorial. This is supposed to be sad clown, but I made it creepy. This is for the makeup competition entry for Kimchichic Beauty, and this week theme is clown tears. And this is inspired by a sad clown look by Kimchi. So I'm going to be doing my own crazy, evil, and sad at the same time version. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new videos upload. Upload 2 to 3 times a week and also go live on Mondays. So follow me on social media. All the links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this creepy tutorial. Alright, so this is a voiceover video because it took me a while. When the looks are that intricate and a lot of paint involved, I like to just be quiet and just paint myself and just easier to voice over later. And this is, like I said, it's an entry to Kimchichic. It's just for fun, pretty much. They have a weekly theme for Halloween look. So today's theme is clown tears. I'm going to insert the picture of Kimchi here, the ones that she did. It's a little more normal. Mine is a little more crazy, but I'm like extra. And the point is just to create a sad, depressing clown look. But of course, for me, it's not just sad, it's crying tears of blood, and it's also pulling the eyeball out and the eyeballs coming out. So yeah. And it has creepy teeth. It just ate something. Something or somebody. So there you go. So enjoy the tutorial. Okay, let's start with the base. I'm using LA Girl white foundation and Clown White from Bayron, which is atrocious. Actually, I hate it. I probably not gonna use it anymore. It's too thick. Using the brush first and then blending with the blending sponge. Using face paint now, and pretty much creating cream lines first. All the contour. I just want to create, instead of a sad clown, sad depressant, but also evil at the same time. Like she just ate somebody and she's sad about it. Very typical. I love this kind of evil Halloween aesthetic. So I'm creating a typical drag kind of contour, but at the same time it's a creepy Halloween drag clown. Lines on the forehead for the same reason, just want to create sad lines. Setting everything with Mayron setting powder. This is a translucent one, neutral. The white one was way worse. This one is much better. Now I'm using Oscar Velasquez black and white. This is Artistry palette. It's a small indie brand. I love his stuff. So reinforcing all the contours, everything black. Pretty much blending black and white because it can become a little patchy. So mixing black and white eyeshadow on the brush and then kind of blending all. This took a while to blend because the base was still a little tacky. It was completely set, but the grease paints, that's the nature of them. Just reinforcing all the lines, make sure everything deep and dark, and creating more of a sad eyebrow line. Hiding the crease a little more sharp with the same grease paint and setting it with a white eyeshadow. So now I'm using the eyeliner, just a regular black felt tip eyeliner, because after all, it's like a set clown, but it's a drag queen too. So, setting is a black eyeshadow, and I'm using water activated paints to create the eyeball that's been pulled. So the idea was to make it not just sad but also creepy. So I'm trying to pull the skin and rip it open, and the eyeball's kind of like falling out a little bit. A little bit. It's all an accident. So she pretty much torn her own eyeball. So I'm just making eyeballs look bigger, the fake eyeball. The blue base and the blue eyeshadow, and then all these lines and details. The usual. Using the water activated paints to create depth, and the brown and black mixed together and create little lines like ripped blood vessels in the eyeball. Deepening with the eyeshadow as well. This has to be very deep and dark, like a blood clotting there. And then creating lines, because when you pull the skin, it creates folds, right? So these are the folds. So this is an illusion of skin being ripped and pulled down. And that's why I'm gonna wear my claws at the end, because the claw is what's holding the eyeball down. Creating more highlights, lines, and the bloody tears. The clown mouth, but a sad mouth. So I started with a sad mouth, and then I ended up with a creepy mouth. This is a black Maybelline lipstick. And we're gonna do the whole mouth in black and then set it with black Oscar Velasquez eyeshadow. And we're gonna use some more black to create more lines and depth and paint the creepy teeth. And this is NYX Epic White, and this stuff like waterproof and it's like cement. It's great to paint over anything. So now we got all the teeth. We're reinforcing all the lines with water activated paints, and then some more eyeshadow. And the teeth I painted a little bit of yellow on them to make them look a little more gnarly. The final touches. So I'm using Mayron fake stage blood, and we want to create more of a depth in the deep dark tears and deep blood falling. And I decided to put some blood in my mouth, like I ate somebody, and now I'm crying. Typical. So this is the finished look. Obviously it was all voiceover because, this kind of things are time consuming. So this is supposed to be a sad clown, and for me, I'm not into clowns that much. I'm not scared of them like some people are, but I'm not into them. So I just wanted to make a creepy clown, sad but creepy at the same time. So this is a creature I create myself. Pretty much, I like to create creatures that's not like the usual, the witch or the vampire. This is my own creature, pretty much. So let me know what you guys think. So leave me a comment below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week, sometimes 2 times a week, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, or on Mondays and Fridays. So click notification bell so you get notified of all new videos I upload. And do follow me on social media. All the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. So huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you all, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!